Hello guys, review Infinix Note 50 Pro. This version 12GB memory and 256GB storage. Open box. We have wireless charger in completation. Device. Okay, and this we have protected glass and protected back cover. Gold color device. Okay, and other completation we have adapter for charging with 80-watt charger, fast charger, super fast charger, and Type-C cable. Turn on device. We have AMOLED display, on this side power button, volume buttons, camera block, Type-C port, slot for SIM card and speaker, second speaker. Okay. We have XOS 15.1.2 and Android version 15. Processor Helio G100 Ultimate, RAM memory, Infinix, battery, and display. Resolution display, AMOLED display, 144 Hz. Open Geekbench. Look, CPU test results. GPU test results. We have GPU Mali G57. And look, Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark, okay, perfect. Run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. On the graphic level, look, graphic level. Start game. Max graphic level and frame rate. And game works very good. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.